Hello everyone, welcome to the batch upload products Xoro tutorial. We're going to walk through in this guide how to get your SKUs or items into the system. And so the first thing we want to do is go to the upload products module. So I found that by just navigating to the module from the search menu. And so basically what you're going to want to do is follow the instructions on this page here. So step one is to download the template, the template over here. Fill the template with data and make sure to go through these steps here, especially these important ones. And then step three is to actually upload the data into the system. So one more thing I want to mention is the help article in this page here. So basically, through this help article, you can actually find out, you can be given a description for each of the fields in the template and basically what kind of data should go into those fields. And so basically you can go through this as you're entering data into the template. So let's go ahead, let's download our template. I'm just going to download it here. And let's open it to see what it looks like. And so basically each of these columns, basically you're going to fill in, and each line represents a SKU here. And so I've already got a template filled out. So I'm going to close this, and here's my sample template that I've filled out. And so let's go ahead, let's upload this, and just make sure to follow these instructions before you start uploading any data into the system. So let's click on browse, click on my sample products. So what I've done actually is I've intentionally left the mandatory field blank, so it should give me an error. So I'm going to go upload, and it's going to say yes, see 9 errors. And so I'm going to download the file. This is your error file. It's basically going to explain what the errors are. So let's go ahead, let's download this. Okay, so I'm going to see in my template what was the issue. And you can see here it says base part number is required. So this is one of the columns that I left blank. And as you can see here, this column was left blank when it was actually mandatory. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to fill this column, save my file now, and I'm going to try uploading again. And this time it actually says that 2 new base products were created. So this time the upload was successful after my changes, after I fixed those issues there. You can use basically the same method for batch editing items in the system. So basically, instead of downloading a fresh template with a blank sheet, you can download your master data file, which contains your existing SKUs in the system. And basically, you can edit the CSV file and then re-upload it back into the system. And that's pretty much it.